my friends, welcome back to another video of Boss. Today in this video I just want to show you how to get volume up and volume down button your Android device's screen. So what you do here, open the Play Store of your Android device and type here good luck. So install it to your Android device and wait a few seconds. Once it has been installed, just click to open, and here you can see the good luck application is ready to use. And what you do here, click on agree and continue to get the setup to add volume up and volume down button. Scroll down, find out NavStar, install it in Google in good luck, and just go back here. Once it has been installed, just click to open and make this option available, and we have new configuration. So we just go add a new button from here and scroll down to find out volume up and volume down button. So once you got here, just you can customize it by keep pressing on them, and you can bring back here on right or left. So just click to save it and exit, and you will get the volume up and volume down button. And it's super amazing when your volume up and volume down button of your Android device is not working. So this is all about how to get this. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to my channel, share this video to your friends. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button. Until next quick tutorial videos, bye bye my friends, peace.